Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English instructor and welcome to my English coaching class. Currently we are at unit number 15, Children Around the World. Our today's lecture is lecture number 2 and the competency that we are targeting through this lecture is vocabulary and grammar. Our today's topic is use of homographs. Before learning about the usage of homographs, let's have a look at the SLO first. Use homographs in writing. We have also provided the vertical linkage for you. Before starting our topic, let's do a quick brainstorming session. The word bat can mean two different things. Can you think of what they are? So, the word bat has two different meanings. Can you think of them? Let's learn about homograph. A homograph is a word that is spelled the same but has different meanings and may be pronounced differently. The meaning of the word usually depends on the context in which it is used. So, होमोग्राफ क्या है? होमोग्राफ एक ऐसा वर्ड है जिसके दो डिस्टिंक्ट मीनिंग हो सकते हैं या दो से ज्यादा भी डिस्टिंक्ट मीनिंग हो सकते हैं और हो सकता है कि उनके मीनिंग के साथ साथ उनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में भी फर्क हो. एग्जांपल्स आर लीड. दिस वर्ड इज ऑल्सो प्रोनाउंस्ड एज लेड. अब फर्क क्या है दोनों में? एज अ नाउन it is pronounced as lead. The pipes are made of lead. Lead का क्या मतलब है? Lead जो धात होती है, जो मेटल होती है. But as a verb, this word is pronounced as lead. Lead मतलब to guide. She will lead the team to victory. As a verb, this word means to guide. Similarly, in the next example, see, this is the word tear. As a verb, it is pronounced tear. Please tear the paper in half, which means to rip. मतलब फाड़ना, जैसे कागज का फाड़ना. और as a noun, she wiped away a tear from her eye. यहां पे इसका मतलब क्या है? A drop of liquid from the eye. यानी कि आंसू. As a noun, tear. As a verb, tear. Here is your classroom activity. Write the homograph that completes both sentences. Use the words in the box to help. So, here we have provided the different boxes. And from these boxes, you will pick the word that will fit in both these sentences. Let's do this activity. Tie a dash to finish wrapping the present. Tie a bow to finish the wrapping the present. Take a bow when you finish your performance. All the girls started screaming when a bat flew into their camp cabin. The softball team gave their star player a new bat for her birthday. So, you can very clearly see that here in this sentence, bat का मतलब है चमगादड़, जबकि इस सेंटेंस में बैट का मतलब है बल्ला जो खेलने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. आगे देखें. I hoped my best friend would sit in my row. मेरी कतार. We had to row the boat all the way across the lake to get home. So यहां पे रो का मतलब है कतार और यहां पे रो का मतलब है चप्पू चलाना. Since my books were late, The librarian told me to pay a fine. Fine. In this sentence, fine means जुर्माना. जबकि इस सेंटेंस में देखें, Gabriel was sick yesterday, but today he is feeling fine. As I told you before, the meaning of the homograph depends on the context. वो मीनिंग चेंज ही कॉन्टेक्स्ट की वजह से होता है. यहां पे फाइन का मतलब है जुर्माना, जबकि यहां पे फाइन का मतलब है उम्दा या बेहतरीन. When Alan fell off his bike, he got a bad wound on his leg. Wound मतलब जख्म. Lisa wound up the duck toy and let it waddle down the hallway. यहां पे wound का मतलब क्या है? लपेटना. जबकि ऊपर वाले सेंटेंस में wound है. wound का मतलब जख्म. Here is your homework. Write 10 homographs in your notebook and use them in your sentences. We have also provided a simulation for you. The worksheet is also being attached. And apart from this PowerPoint presentation, the worksheet and the simulation, we have provided different resources for your comprehensive understanding, such as the skill sheet, the lesson plan, and the question bank. Thank you so much.